hey, okay, so Mother Nature just came through and did a number on your vehicle in the form of hail damage. Okay, if that's not you, then just go ahead and skip this ad. But if that is you, your next steps are very important for repairing that car. Okay, first thing you can do, and the easiest, safest thing you can do, is give us a call to book a free, no-contact inspection. In that inspection, what we do is we come out and visually assess your vehicle, and we can determine approximately how much it will cost to fix that vehicle. Okay, whether it's worth filing a claim on that car, will your insurance be affected by filing that claim, how long it's going to take to fix, what's it going to look like after we get done, is it going to look great or not, are you eligible for a zero out-of-pocket repair? Most of you are. Okay, are you eligible for a free rental if you don't have rental coverage? Okay, there's some things we can do for you as a company, especially if your vehicle qualifies, that can save you a considerable amount of money. So we'd love to help you out. We'd love to be your shop of choice, but either way, give us a call to book a free no-contact inspection. We can help guide you through the process from there. Thanks.